Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this look. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
So of course I wanted to do a few looks using the new Nail Mate gel polishes we just released. So I'm starting off and I want to do some single nails with you guys and walk you through them. I'm going to be using Strawberry Glow along with the White Wave nail art sticker, the holographic line nail art stickers, and also some of the fairy dust loose glitter. And this look and combo is absolutely gorgeous. So I already have my acrylics buffed and ready to apply my gel, and I'm just coming in with one thin coat of the Strawberry Glow, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. After curing, I'm going to come in with my White Wave sticker, and I'm just showing you guys here, it easily pulls off that backing paper, and you can measure and pre-cut, but sometimes I like to also place my finger on the backing paper and stretch the sticker over my nails to kind of dictate and find out how much of the sticker I need. I don't like to waste these things, as you can tell. I love to try and use all of them as much as I possibly can. So once I've placed the sticker and pressed it onto my nail, I'm just coming in very carefully with the Gothic nail scissors, and I'm just trimming that so that it fits the shape of my nail perfectly. You want to make sure that the sticker is slightly more on the inside of the nail. You don't want it hanging over the edge because you want to be able to seal it in when we come to that part. As always, everything is available on the website, which is glitterplanetuk.com, and you can use my discount code, which is Ninja5, for 5% off your entire order. So once the sticker is applied, you want to make sure to press down that sticker and get any bumps and lumps or air bubbles out of it if there are any, and just make sure that it's laying flat and flush to the nail and none of it is overhanging. So once I'm happy with the placement of that, I'm coming in with the holographic foil stripes, and I'm just going to use one of the smaller ones. It's not the smallest size, it's just the next one up, and I'm just going to peel that off of the backing form or the backing paper and trim it to length. I'm just going to hold it over the nail. I wasn't sure whether I wanted this in a straight line or if I wanted it to follow the curve of the nail art sticker that I'd already applied. So initially I was going for that straight line, and I was just like looking at it like, no, I don't want the straight line. So I literally took it off and I just placed it at the beginning of the White Wave sticker and just held it there and kind of bent and applied it in a curve just to follow that White Wave sticker nicely, but not exactly. I just wanted it to look a little bit abstract but really elegant at the same time. So I'm making sure to press that sticker down and making sure that it's flat to the nail, and once I'm happy, I'm coming in again with the Gothic scissors. Again, these are available on the website and I'll link everything for you guys or have it on the screen, and I'm just trimming off the end of that sticker and making sure that it's pressed down. Now I'm coming in with Nail Mate base coat, and this is going to help seal in those nail art stickers. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer and then cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Once I've cured, I'm coming in with my Nail Mate top coat, and this is a soak off top coat. I'm just going to apply a nice even layer over the entire nail, making sure to cap the free edge and then cure in the light for 60 seconds. Once I've finished curing in the light, I'm going to go ahead and come in with Nail Mate Safe Scrub, and this is also a gel residue remover, and I'm using the lint-free nail wipes and just removing that tacky layer from the top coat, and that is going to reveal the nice high gloss shine. And look how gorgeous this nail looks, absolutely stunning. And as you can see, it's nice and flat and flush. There's nothing that's lumpy and bumpy, and that's what's lovely about working with the stickers So now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to come in and I'm using the stainless steel mixing palette and some super gloss no wipe top coat, along with the fairy dust loose glitter and the liner brush. And I'm just going to draw a nice swirly line across the nail, following the pattern of the ones that we already have there. I'm not doing it exactly, I just again wanted to add some more detail. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to sprinkle over the fairy dust and then cure in the light for 60 seconds. Once I bring out the nail, I'm going to use the mini dust brush and just dust off the excess, and this is the result. We have a beautiful sugared feature on the nail, and it just adds some texture and dimension, and it looks super elegant. So now that I've finished with this nail, I am going to come in with some lemongrass cuticle oil. It's my ultimate favourite scent, and these bottles from Nailmate are so gorgeous. We chose these because they just mean that you have such a precision application with your oil. You are not just using way too much product, and you're just using the right amount. They are also super small and compact, so you can take them with you wherever you go. I'm just rubbing in the oil, and then this is the final result. So I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and this little demo. If you loved it, please do give it a thumb up or a double tap, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social media at Ninja Nail Fairy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!